Oh? Oh. Hello, and once again, welcome to another stream where you can't bloody see my avatar. Hang on, let me fix this really quick. Yeah, I have been a bit rushed in trying to get everything sorted. Just stick this on here, and there we go. And for some reason it won't have my microphone either, so... Okay, how about now? Okay, this microphone? Yeah, there we go. And we'll just make the... There we go. Yeah, for some reason it just doesn't save my settings of what microphone to use, so it just defaults to the normal one, which means that it won't light up when I'm speaking. Right. So, we last left us when we were doing the cutscene engine. Now what I want to do now is make it so that the person who's actually speaking, their portrait is lit up and moved up a bit. Yeah, their things moved up a bit, and let me turn down BGM on my end because it's distracting. There we go. And then also, what we've got our ID from the speaker's name here, so we're to enter the character, and then when they're entered we grey them out, and from there we if they are speaking we go into, I believe it's this thing here, character IDs, try and find out which one, then take the index, get the same index from there and put them in here. So that's the plan. We're also looking at showing cut-in images. I know if you played a VN, but if you want to show like an image within an image, if that makes sense, or in the foreground, like in front of everything. Exiting characters as well, this needs to be implemented. But yeah, I've fixed the blinker always showing, and I think also the what am I talking about? The players shouldn't be slipping in like that, and yeah, this fade effect is probably it shouldn't show the wipe effect's fine, although there should be a bit of a pause, I reckon. Then set the government districts on there. Okay, so the job is to find these guys, blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, earlier in the cutscene, the cutscene should have shown right here. Yeah, exit all characters, and that's now I'm gonna open up the thing as a CSV file in LibreOffice, which isn't going to show on stream because I haven't set up a LibreOffice calc scene in OBS, which is unfortunate. But oh well. First of all, we need to make it so that the character portrait is sort of greyed out when they enter. May also want to do a fade in so they don't like snap in, and because that's a bit jarring to the player. So character portraits here, they do have a UI grey out behavior, so what I can do is portrait.getComponent UI grey out behavior dot reset and play. No, we'll have it as set public void set bool grade out. Actually, we'll call this set immediate so it's more clear as to what it does. Boolean grayed out. If grayed out color lerp equal. Whoops. We need brackets because there's two of them. Is grade equals true. And color lerp is 1. And the other way around, else. Oops. Is grade equals false. This keyboard, I don't like it. Color up equals 0f. Then we go back to our cutscene manager. Dot set immediate. To true. So we don't have to do the animation when we're going in. Hey Dylan, yeah, I saw your Discord messages. Yeah, I mean, I'll be happy to take a look at what you're doing so far from Discord. It's going all right. Yeah, I'm just getting back into the swing of things. Obviously, haven't streamed for 3 days, and yesterday's stream was the first one. Then, so just letting my voice get back into the swing of things. But other than that, it's fine. So yesterday's stream we were doing the cutscene engine, and today we're hopefully finishing it up. But there's every chance that we'll need a third stream as well to implement everything. So here in Showtech, secure portrait character speaking. 3, 4, int I character IDs dot length. If character IDs I is equal to ID, then portrait, no, character portraits I dot play? No, get component. How are you doing, Dylan? Did I ask you in Discord? I forget. UI grey out behavior. There we go. Dot play. Yeah, I think we need to have aliases for these. Public void set grade out, set grade out bool grade, and I might want to change this to a instead of graying it out, just set it to a color, like changing sprite color behavior. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. If no, is grade equals grade. Dot set grade out to false. else. We won't be doing this every frame, so that's all right. Get component UI grey out behavior dot set grayed out true. Send to you after you stream. Ah, okay, thanks. I can just actually do this. Character ID's I does not equal ID. However, I do need to set an offset as well. No, actually, we'll keep it as... We'll see how it is just like this for the time being. Okay, waiting for it to compile, and here we go. Okay, so the one that's speaking is lit up, but I don't know. I think it should move as well. Okay, we can do the enter character. But am I not planning to play a game on Steam today either? No. No, this is I haven't really set you know a specific time to play games on Steam. If I get this done, I might. But I haven't played games, I haven't played games on stream so far, so yeah, it'll be a bit of a new experience, so sorry about that. Don't even know what I'll play. I'm trying to play through New Star GP, and then I could do a fresh playthrough of Tokyo Extreme Racer, Gran Turismo 4 Spec 2. Yeah, they're all racing games, so I'm not entirely sure if you'd be into that. Right. Okay, so the portrait enabled true, the sprite was there. On there. Okay, so the characters entering would be faded in, but then I'd need an await, because if I don't, then it will, the actual thing. How long does I plan to take? 3 hours, like always. So yeah, I'll stop at 9 o'clock my time. I don't know what that'd be in your time zone. So this character portrait speaking, this would override the entry, and so it won't fade in. It'll just do that fade in. So, but I think the path of these assistants would just be to put an await command in the cutscene text, so we can leave that. Okay, so enter character portrait dot color equals color dot start color equals color dot New color. I don't know if color transparent is transparent white or transparent black. 1214 here. Ah, okay. New color 1F, 1F. So that means I'd stop at 3 o'clock. Yeah, 3 o'clock. Your time. 0F on the alpha, var end color equals portrait dot color, because the color's already been set here. So I want to fade into the grayed out, not the speaking thing. So while RT equals 0, well, T is less than fade in time. Till 40 PM. Yeah, can guess that. Because you said you were in Chicago, I believe? Yeah, it says at the top left of the screen. Okay, so T is less than fade in time on there. Yeah, my memory's not as bad as I thought it was. Portrait dot color equals color dot lerp. Your morning will be a night for me. Yeah. Oh, schedule's different. Yeah, that's time zones for you. Portrait color is there, and then oh yeah, it's not T, it's T divided by fade in time, and then also T plus equals time delta time. So this delta time is the time that's passed since the last frame. Let's see. Society is put into there. Oh, put this on the other side of the coroutine. And then at the end, portrait dot color equals end color. Coroutine's running minus, yeah. Radio. I think I've already put in the enter character. Oh wait, oh yeah, I did. Now, would we just say there or just there are? As you can see, I'm not the best of writers. Okay, when we hide the text, wait, hang on. Swipe out. Oh wait. No, we'll put hide text box here. Hide text box here. Hide text box, then swipe out, then swipe in, await, show text box. Okay, save that. This cutscene has 197 commands. It's a big boy. Yeah, I need a skip button for this. That's sort of a fast forward button. Okay, we need to show the cut-in now. Well, if we were doing this in order, it would be playing music. So actually, yeah, let's do that. You're not going to hear it because I don't have desktop audio on. Oh well, we'll get that one comes in. Still morning, yeah. Morning at 12:20. Blimey. Yes, I remember being in my early 20s. Yeah, that was me at uni. I just got pretty much every night was getting shit-faced, and then missing all of my morning lectures, getting up at like 12 o'clock and it's like, dragging my hungover ass to afternoon lectures, and then going back and going over the things I finished, and then getting drunk and have a rinse repeat. That's I would not recommend that lifestyle. Game object. What's it called? Oh yes, audio. And actually, I'm going to make it a child of the main camera. Reset this. Right. Oh yeah, the audio listener's in the fake camera, so this will be an audio source. I'll call this, actually, make it child objects BGM, SFX. Give both of these an audio source. Right, BGM is that. Which means that I need to make serialized field private audio source BGM. Whoops. Music source sound effects source. Do I have it in here? No, I don't. Okie doke. We'll leave those in. Case play music. Play music. Oops. Keep fat fingering everything on this keyboard. Play music. Split line. Break. Case. Play. SFX. So the sound effects would be a coroutine because you want it to be able to await the sound effects finishing playing. You don't want to do that with the music. So start coroutine. Play sound effect. Split line. Right. All the way down here, private void play music, string, oops, arcs, and this would be music source dot audio. No, stream? Hang on, let me look this up. Okay, Unity audio AUDIO source. Blah 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 blah. Audio source equals blah 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 blah. Da 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 da. Toggle change to. How do I set the blooming? You can play a single audio clip using play, pause, and stop. You can blah blah blah. Okay. Music source stop play. Bar clip equals, this will be an audio clip. Loaded asset handles args1 dot result. Play the clip. Oh, we can't do that. So how do you put, what's the clip? Play delayed, play one shot, play on gamepad? No. Oh yeah, the PS4 has a speaker on it, so I'm guessing it's for that. Is playing, is virtual mute. How do I set the bloody clip? Audio, oh, it's resource, right. Dot resource equals clip music source dot play. Boy, why don't I use background music along with my stream? Oh, can you not hear it? How about now? Is it audible? Because I was just gonna say I do use background music. It's just probably not. Audible. Yeah, that's the first time someone's actually said that the BGM's too quiet. Can you hear it now, or do you want me to make it a bit louder? Okay, music source play. Then we can leave it like that. Because if the resource is set, then it should go back to 1, right? Question mark? Oh, and it's set up the audio mixer groups as well. Audio mixer groups. Audio mixer. No, the sound isn't coming through properly. Oh, okay. How about now? Things I'm looking at the bars on my OBS and they're getting a bit high. Says, oh, hi, Lethargic. Yep. I will admit it is a fairly niche genre, game dev processing, but you're welcome to stay a while. Play sound effects. Effect. Oh, what can this... Why can't I write the word string properly? Clip equals... This is just going to be the same. Actually, you know, this... No, it's not. It's not going to be the same. This is going to be sound effects source dot resource equals clip, sound effects source play. And, oh yeah, this is a coroutine. Enumerator. It being niche means I stand out more. Yeah, I suppose. I mean, software and game development is its own category on Twitch, so I don't know. I don't know how crowded this is. I don't really pay attention to that sort of things. Yeah, I'm just happy doing what I'm doing. Right, where's the is playing? Here we go. Returns true is blah 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 blah. This includes use. Returns false when pause is called if she's playing late. It's playing thing. We want to change into the delay. Okay. While sound effects source start is playing. Actually. Yield. Return. Wait. While. Sound effects source dot is playing. New wait while. Oh, it's a function that takes a boolean. There we go. Right, let's set up this audio mixing. So we've got master, then groups, master, BGM. Now call this normal. Okay. Music, sound effects, voice, ambiance. Yeah, that'll do it. And then we can set the volume levels accordingly in the scene. But then, what's my cutscene engine done? No, it's not done yet. There's still a few. I mean, you could play a basic visual novel cutscene in it, but there are some bells and whistles that I want to implement for. So I'm currently working on setting the background music and playing sound effects during the cutscene. Right, so if I put this on output, actually I want to rename this to audio mixer. Put this in here. Oh, music, and this will output to SFX. Bypass listener effects, bypass reversers. Do not play on awake, and the music does loop. Oh yeah, of course, the coroutine's running. Coroutine's running plus plus. Coroutine's running minus minus. Okay, let's see. I'm going to turn off the background music just so I can test this, and if I put my desktop audio up. Oh, we've got compiler error. Oh, right. Yeah. In my haste, I forgot that. We'll also change these to I enumerators. Right, so this is going to run until we show a cut-in image, which is going to be when they show the photos of Daedalus and Icarus, but that's the next thing we're going to implement. Oh. And it would also help if I set the sources correctly. That would help. Hey! Okay, that's good. A bit loud. Also, probably would want some scrolling SFX as well. I think I do have some scrolling sound effects on this PC. Assets, audio, SFX, fan wind, gulp, punch, rain sound. What did I use in the Godot project? I think I still have that. I do. Audio. AUTHT6011.mid. Okay, that doesn't say anything. Scrollwoodlong.wav. Ah, yeah, that'll do. Right, assets, cutscene resources, scrollwoodlong.wav. Pull this as text, scroll, SFX. And this won't be, no, this isn't a resource because it's not an addressable, so we'll actually put this into audio. There we go, text scroll, SFX. What are my PC specs, if you don't mind me asking? I've forgotten them. I don't really, I honestly don't know what they are. Actually, this is something that the OBS not showing my everything might come to advantage. System information. Let's see. It's a laptop and it's a refurb from so yeah, it's a refurbished gaming laptop from 2021, I believe. Hang on, I'll try and bring up the component. No. Here we go, system summary. Processor is a Core i7 10750H at 2.6 gigahertz, which is kind of meh these days. What's the graphics card? I know the graphics card. Yeah, this is a pretty old PC. Where does it show the actual graphics card in this? Hardware resources? Like, no. Multimedia, CD-ROM input? No. Storage, printing, problem devices, USB, multimedia. No, that's not it. Whatever. But yeah, I've gotten old. Does it actually show it on Acer? No, not Acer. I'll put it on here. This is the last thing I'm going to try. Lighting, overclocking, home. No. Yeah, if I kept the oh, here we go. Yeah, my graphics card is a 2070. So not too bad, but not, you know, not top of the line. Like I said, this is a laptop, so everything runs really hot. So nothing. So I don't think it's used to its full potential. I have it underclocked anyway because it just, like I said, it gets hot, and when I try and put my hand on it, it just burns it. So I don't really do any of that, you know, big clocking, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Do you think I'd be able to stream games on it, on this, or do I need something a bit more beefy? Okay, rewire that, and then right. We'll also have another one scrolling. Another audio source. And this is just going to have on here text scroll SFX, and then we'll have, I need a UI on the audio mixer. If I go here, if I add another child group, call this user interface. Scrolling, and then this will use the UI output. And yeah, this should loop. Then on show text when we're scrolling, which is this. Scroll text. Wait for input. You're going to pop up on my stream randomly. No, I appreciate everyone who's watching. Yeah, don't feel like you have to force yourself. Test the new Lappy. Tiny and cute laptop. Yeah, this laptop's the complete opposite. It's one of those beefy, not beefy, but it's hefty, as we'll say. I actually had to buy a bigger bag just to put it in because my current one was just too small for it. But then again, I don't use it like a laptop. It's just plugged in on the things. It's just plugged in like a workstation. So I'm guessing the battery's awful. Ow. But yeah, sometimes take it down the pub and plug it in and do a bit of work from there. this is, you know, going to need another one. Text, scroll, audio source. This is getting a bit long. I might need to split it up. Text scroll audio source dot play, and then at the end text scroll audio source dot stop. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. Okay, do not play on awake. Okay, I need to fiddle about with this. Yeah, there's a bit of okay, if I were to do that, set a looping here. Okay. Delete everything after this. And everything before here. And then set the looping area just that, so. Yeah, that's good. Easy support every file. Yeah, I have LibreOffice on this. But yeah, I'm trying to get this tech. Hang on. Okay, so the problem is, hang on, I'm just gonna turn off the BGM again. Okay. Problem is, right, you can see there's a bit of a pause between each one. There's a bit of pause. So I'm just trying to go into Audacity and just cut this bit out. Export audio, text scroll sfx.mp3, put that in. Not in cutscene resources. Assets, audio. Yes, I know it already exists. Okay, changing that. Did I export it as a... Oh no, I want to export it as a WAV. Because it was originally a WAV format. Okay, get rid of this. Or I could just use it as an MP3. I mean, it doesn't need to be... well, we've done it anyways. So anyway, text scroll effects, now we'll try it. There we go. I think that actual scrolling SFX might get a bit grating after a while. But yeah, we'll put the BGM back on. When I upgrade channel, will I start with live 2D or 3D? That's a very good question, which I haven't thought more about. I haven't thought about. My gut feeling says I'm going to be leaning more towards live 2D. Because you can see I'm a PNG tuber at the moment, but I'm leaning towards live 2D. Of course, I'll probably need to go in and have a look at the system requirements for each for whatever VTube Studio or whatever the 3D equivalent is, and then have a look, see if it'll screw over, see if it won't screw over, you know, my already strained laptop. I think it's the cooling, honestly. I think there's a problem with the cooling that's causing it to run slow when I try and play stuff like what's the one that causes it slow? I tried playing First Descendant like a few months back, but PC just... I think it did work, but I did need to close everything else and like... Because I usually have a 4-monitor setup. But yeah, I just had to like disconnect all the other monitors and what have you for it to not completely cook my laptop. Right, so that's the scrolling SFX. That's a bit of a side quest. Show cutting image for... okay. Right, we need to make a cut in. No, don't want a game object, want a canvas. UI canvas. I advise we go to live 2D. Oh, okay. Most people start PNG with live 2D. Okay. I'll keep that in mind then. What was I going to call it? Oh yes, cut in image. Have it move after transitions but over the text box. So this will override sorting sort order 100. No, not game object. Delete this. UI panel. Why's the text box not showing? Oh, right. Right, I just need to position this then. So the text box is the full one, but then the text panel is 300 plus 100. So this is at 340 plus 100, so 440. Okay, so we'll put it on that, and then... So I thought of any ideas. Do I have any inspiration? No, I don't. Like I said, I'm just happy doing my own thing. Haven't really put any thought towards making this a hobby. Well, I mean, it is a hobby right now, but I don't really want to get any bigger. But yeah, I'll give it some thought. I like owls, so probably something with that motif. Like a ghostly owl or something like that. I just want to get the height sorted and then we can work about fiddle about with the weight. Actually no, I want to stretch this out. Bottom still 450 and then the top we can just have 32 on there. If I put these as 0.5 so they're center stretched. Width. No, because then the width's going to stay the same, but when we change the things, the height won't. So we need to keep a sort of a ratio. We need to keep a sort of a ratio. We need to keep the ratio consistent. The only way we can do that is if we set the anchors to the same. Okay, so we've got our anchor here. The anchor's in the right spot. Pivot, even, not anchors. 0.5. $600. I want to keep it in like a 16:9 ratio. Okay. 0.4 actually. But then if I set this to 0.4 as well, then the height we put up like there. So, do I like anime? Yes, but I haven't found time to watch anime in a while. Last one I watched was Tomo-chan is a Girl, and that was, God, that must have been more than a year ago. So, but yeah, I mean, I do watch. Used to, mostly I read light novels and read manga now. Favorite anime would be Slayers. Which means I keep meaning to watch, Pre-Ren, but I just, for some reason, I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Into Naruto more than anything. Naruto, I mean, I grew up with Naruto, but it just wasn't really my thing, to be honest. I was more of a One Piece guy myself. And then I got introduced to retro stuff, you know, Slayers, Lost Universe, old UC Gundams, what else? Azumanga Daioh as well, love that. Log Horizon as well, I do like Log Horizon. I've actually read that through the whole thing, read all the books. Well, yeah, all the ones that have been released in English at the very least. What else? What else have I read? Hellsing. Definitely like that. I'm not really that into JoJo. I think I started reading it about part 3, and it just wasn't really my cup of tea. But yeah, I mean, I know of Naruto. I kind of know what it's about, but I haven't actually seen it. Right, 600. No, it's not 600, it's If I make the 500, yeah, that'll do. And then reopen the calculator because I shouldn't have done it. 500 by 16 divided by 9 is 8. And we'll round that up to 890. Okay, so this is the background. Cutting image panel? Yeah, we'll just call it a panel. What else have I watched? There was this one shonen that went at Gintama. I freaking love Gintama. Do I? Oh, keep it as this flat colour for the time being. And then UI image. Anchor this. Oops, like so. Have the borders as 16s. Let's see. No, maybe not. Yeah, this will do. Preserve the aspect ratio, right. Genshin has the most Oh, Genshin Impacts. Yeah, I played that. I played that around launch. Just didn't really get into it. Because it had the... I mean, it was riding the Breath of the Wild craze. But yeah, I don't do gachas for... Yeah, I kind of have a bit of a weakness for gambling, so I deliberately don't do anything like that. Gacha. That being said, I did play Genshin until the Inazuna update, but you know, I was. But yeah, I think it was like something like the second Klee banner was dropped in. I mean, I like you know, explosion characters, you know, your Megumin's Demo Man and Klee. So I just thought, oh yeah, try and get Klee, and then I realised next thing I know, I dropped £100 on the banner. I was thinking, oh god, this is not good for my wallet. I've got to stop. So yeah, I've sworn off gachas, except for Arc Knights. I do like tower defense games, so I play a fair bit of Arc Knights, but I've sworn, you know, no money there. Who else do I like off of Genshin? Sucrose. I kind of like I have a thing for nerdy characters, so Sucrose. By extension, Albedo. Who else? Keep in mind, I stopped playing it around the Inazuna update. Xiangling as well. I like Xiangling's design. Private canvas cut in image canvas private image. Okay, I've heard our vibes match. Yeah. Okay, cut. So cut in image canvas dot enabled equals true. Bar sprite equals cast to sprite. Loaded asset handles args1. Args not split line. Arguments 1 dot result. Cut in image. Here our vibes match. So are you into like the same kind of characters, or? But yeah, nerdy characters are the best. Silence from Arknights as well. She's also an owl, which, you know, is bonus points for me. Cutting image is... oh, no it's not, it's sprite equals that sprite. So... cut in image canvas group. Bar canvas group equals cut in image canvas dot get component of type canvas group. Canvas group dot alpha equals 0. Oh, scary. Oh. Canvas group alpha is 0. Var t equals 0 while t is less than fading time. T plus equals time dot delta time. Canvas group dot alpha equals t divided by fading time. Yield return null. Canvas group dot alpha equals 1th. And this we can just we don't need to change the cutting image to nothing, so we just change this to 1. No. This here to 1, this to 0, and this to 1 minus t over fading time. Right, let's see if this works. Maybe not. We'll disable this canvas. Oh, right. I've done it again. go. Okay, I think I need to do this the other way around. The image, and then we'll have the panel. But then the panel's going to render over the image if I have the panel as a child of the image. Because this panel is in a 16:9 ratio, however the image containing isn't. Because it's all... basically 16 minus 15:8 is not the same ratio as 16:9. That's oversimplifying it, so I'm going to do this. I may need to have separate canvases for the background and the image itself. Or what I do is set this to here, set width to 890 by 500. Then set this to 890 plus 32 is 822 by 532. I mean, that's not going to show the thing. And then I also need to put a canvas group thing on here just so the whatchamacallit won't screw around. It's not interactable. No, that's not going to work. That's not working. The 890. Oh, it's 922, not 822. There we go. That's better. Okay. ISX is all current. Okay, so this also returns an I enumerator. Coroutine's running plus plus. Our address equals, oops, args. Okay, so what does an exit character look like? It's at the bottom, it's right, the ID, the var. ID equals args 2. var portrait equals what? Image, cutscene, character portrait. Is it A? Hang on. Character portraits. Yes, an image. Okay. Var idx equals -1 for character IDs dot length. If character IDs IDX is equal to ID, then IDX equals I. This is I. And we also want to break out having breakfast while sitting on my stream as well. Yeah, it's right about tea time where I am. Well, about an hour. Oh, about an hour past. Yeah, it's 7:18 p.m. where I am. Ooh. Boop. If IDX is less than 0, no, greater than or equal to 0. Character position guides IDX dot set active false. Dot game object. Yeah, I should not be yawning about how many past 7. Character portraits IDX dot color. Start color equals this. End color equals new color. 1F. No. Can I do this? Start color 0F. No, you can't. Start color dot red. Start color dot green. Start color dot blue. 0F. While t is 0, while t is less than fading time. Character portraits IDX dot color equals color.lerp. Start color, end color, T over fading time, yield return null. So it fades out the character. For instance, Alex is that and then. Stage slot. Dot game object set active true. Right. So the character portraits are all set up, so the position guides will disable and then see how this looks. Oh, they're moving as well. Yeah, I think that moving thing looks alright. Oh yeah, I need to set the panel to 922 instead of 822. Yeah, I think I don't like the thing, so I need to set the in start, make him so that they're all the cutscenes are moving immediately to wherever. Oh yeah, exit all characters. And then at the end, character IDs. IDX equals, put this here. Right now I need to do exit all characters. For eyes, character IDs, not length. Oh dear. Not even halfway through the stream. Yeah, after this I'm going to take a quick break and get some coffee. actually. Start coroutine, exit character, new string array, exit char, blank, character IDs, I. Then yield return null at the end. No, wait. I'll make this void actually. Which means we don't start this coroutine. Yeah, I don't know, it would be to yield return on these, which makes them all go out one by one, which is not what we want. Okay, let's see if this works. You're someone. Okay, so ID equals args 0, 1, 2. Character ID is I equals ID, which is there, and then debug log exiting character character IDs IDX. Okay, so we are exiting the characters. Okay, so this slot hackers out. Slot 4's fine, but then slot 5 should be Oh. Yeah, it's this grey out behaviour. Right. Yeah, this is overriding the fade. Which means... far grey out. Equals portrait.try get component UI grey out behavior. Out UI grey out behavior grey out. If has grey out. Enabled equals false. No, we do want to set it on there. Then we get the start colour, which is that. Then end colour is the project.colour, which has been set here. So yeah, we'll keep that. But then we disable it as long as it's in there, and then afterwards something like this, and then exit character, portrait equals this. If we have a grey out, then grey out dot enabled equals false. And we don't need to turn it back on if we're exiting the character. Why do I have this? Are they doing this as well? Right, hopefully this will make the characters exit. And then I can finally get my coffee. There we go, they've exited. That actually played the sound effect. Okay, change portrait and then screen shake as well. Input string was not in a correct format. Throw over the... Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna get myself a coffee before I fall asleep in the middle of the stream. So I'll be about a few minutes, I want to say. Okay, see you then. Okay, I'm back. Right, so what's the first thing we need to implement? Well, first of all, we need to get rid of this. Don't need it anymore. Mixing characters. Okay, screen shake. How am I going to do that? I could just make the main camera shake, but unfortunately, this is all a what's the word? Overlay. So if I make the main camera move, that doesn't move the screen anyway. What I could do, however, is this. Nope. Well, actually, I kind of could do this. Something like change that. I don't know. And then I'd take this the main canvas, get components and children of the screen shaker. So if I did something like okay, so what if I made the background so that it still it stretches a bit out from the actual screen? So but I do want to keep it in. So we'll just have this as 160. No wait, minus 80. Minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. 1.1. 1.1. And that's still in a 16:9 ratio. Then we can just make this thing shake. The anchor position shake, like do. Well, to be fair, the screen shake's a bit of a, I don't know, what I do want, however, is the change portrait. What are my job timings, if you don't ask me, mind me asking? Unfortunately, I'm still looking for a job. The economy in Britain's ridiculous. It's stupidly bad. So yeah, I lost my job in 2023 and still looking for work. But yeah, the situation's really bad over here. Problem is that because I've been to uni and I have a first in computer science, every single supermarket, restaurant or what have you, I'm overqualified for those, but the software sector's so bad that nobody's hiring, so I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place here. I just have too much free time on my hands. Yeah, if I did have a job, I would not be streaming at 6 o'clock because then I'd have to I'd have to be in a bit of a rush to get out. I started making games just to keep my skills sharp. Although fat lot of good that's doing. Anyway, I'm probably depressing you with that talk. Can move on to, I don't know. Cutscene, and what am I doing? I want to change portrait. That's what it was. It was, yeah, change hyphen portrait. Where is that in the cutscene? Oh yeah, here we go. You tried on any restaurants? I have tried on restaurants. Like I've said, it's pretty obvious from my CV that I'm going to, leave as soon as I'm going to leave as soon as I find, a job that's actually suits my talent. So they just don't hire me in the first place. Also doesn't help that, well, I mean, I could lie and say that, I don't have the qualifications I do have, but then I'd have to come up with something that, that would, explain the time that I was in uni, or I could say that my degree subject isn't in a STEM field. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't think it's meant to be. Where's... Ah, yeah, here we go. Case... Change portrait. Change character portrait. This complete, yeah, it is. Honestly, I've been looking for so long that I'm probably close to giving up. Okay. Prioritize enumerator on there. Blah 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 blah. Okay, how am I going to do this animation of changing the portrait? Character portrait. This one. I'll use a battle sprite for the time being. If I rotated it on the Y... Oh, hello! If I rotate it to 90 and then back to minus... No, rotate it to 90 on the Y and then back to 0. So it's like... Whoosh, whoosh. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Var idx equals var id equals split line 2 var address equals split line 1 var idx equals -1 if idx greater than or equal to 0 if character no var portrait equals character portraits idx var start rotation y equals 0 end rotation y equals 90 f. Wait, hang on. Unity Quaternion Euler. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's what I thought it would be. Var t equals, oops. Ah! While t is var transition time equals that, while t is less than transition time, portrait dot transform var tf equals portrait dot transform tf dot rotation equals quaternion dot Euler. 0f math f.lerp start rot y end rot y t divided by transition time 0th t plus equals time dot delta time yield return null no, it's not this tf dot rotation equals n rot y. Actually, I don't need to set it. Portrait dot sprite equals loaded asset handles address dot result cast sprite then okay, so I need to time to take care of some housework. Enjoy streaming too late on Discord. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. I probably will be awake for another hour after the stream, so yeah, I'll hit you up on Discord then. End rot y and then start rot y. Okay, and then finally tf dot rotation equals this. Just replace all this with end rotation y. Oh yeah, and then t equals back to 0. Hope you have fun. Yeah, I mean, as much fun you can have with housework, I suppose. See ya. In rot y, start rot y on there, and then set the portrait sprite, and then enter rotation on there. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh. Right, this thing here we need to probably just have it as a auto. Pretty quiet. Yeah, it's been bloody flat. That's why. Slot 3. Why is the position 90? Oh, start rot, not end rot. That's why. Right. Text box. Speaker left. Text. Yeah, we'll have it auto size. That's probably going to be the best way of doing it. Problem is though, if I have max as 42, there we go, that's better. Early for Rocky cocktails. Actually, I'm kind of annoyed with all this black background, so I'm just going to change the backgrounds of these things in Critter and then going from there. Oh, this is going to take a while. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Critter to load. Okay, here we go. Right. Bar district. Jail. pick neck tea table. Okay, save that. Yeah, save as a ping, whatever. Right. Close critter. Oops, that's wrong. Speaker text. Max size 42. How's the rotations? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's not. For exception, input string was not in a correct format. Speak of the devil. Format exception, input string was not in a correct format. Oh, right. Yeah, that'll do it. Just an axle in there. Sorry, there's a problem with the cutscene file. Okay, so if we're showing it in here. Dog, speaker panel set active, is that? So I can never stop saying that's a new one to various other ones. Yeah, that is how the process goes. That is definitely 100% the process in a nutshell. Set character portrait speaking, and then if we set the portrait speaking here, that's just going to set the grade out so it's not going to throw an error, and it actually behaves how I expect it to. Right. Okay, we'll stop the characters' sprites moving on start. We'll have them in their spaces. Well, actually, move the slots in there. No. No, wait, that's... No, I'm gonna wait until the character stops moving on enter character. Mover equals portrait has move behavior equals portrait dot try get component UI move, what's it called, UI follow transform behavior. Then if has move behavior yield return wait until you wait until move behavior is at target position. Generate this property. Return transformed position. No, it's not return, it's just transform dot position equals target dot position. Okay, and then if I put all of these enter characters before the fade in, before this await, paste those, no, I need to make 4 rows free, okay, paste. Then delete these 4 rows, and then this await as well. Okay, let's see how this goes. There we go. Okay, and then this. Actually, speaker text dot text equals blank. Okay, now I've got a index out of range exception. Oh. Why does this errors have to happen at the end of the cutscene? Well, I suppose they would have to. Yeah, I definitely need a skip button. Private Boolean skip input. Public void on skip. Oh, I need a cutscene input manager, don't I? Oh, this is going to take a while. Well, it won't take more than the 35 minutes I have left in the stream. Probably not. Okay. Skip input. Get set. I'll map it to the right mouse button for now. And not skip input. Well, not progress input and not skip input. Okay, let's see how this works. Here we go. Hi, Ellie. Here we go. Hi, Haley. Yeah, the fade. Okay. The text box should be showing over the transitions then, I reckon. So this is 100, this is 999. See how this looks. Right. We definitely want the speaker to be... Definitely want the speaker to be showing in front of everyone else. Okay. Right. So we've got through the whole cutscene, mostly. Just change that. Get rid of these two then. And this. Okay, so we've done all this, so we need to know... We need to store what the next scene is? Right, private bool auto input. Or auto progress. Int auto progress timer. Public auto progress wait period 2 seconds. This will probably go into player prefs once I implement the damn thing. Double auto progress the wait period. Yeah. Auto progress timer plus equals time.delta time. If auto progress timer is, this is a float, not an int. If the auto progress timer is greater than or equal to auto progress wait period, then Auto progress timer equals 0, but progress input equals true. Auto progress equals no, if input dot get mouse button down one, auto progress equals a toggle. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, that works. Okay, I'm going to create another dungeon action, so make a new action map called in cut scene. New action would be progress, which is a button, and this will be spacebar. Sure. New action, auto progress. No, toggle auto progress. This. Hang on, how's it? I'm going to look at the only visual novel I know, which is Katawa Shoujo, and look at how the controls work from here. Keyboard. Oh. A. Key. Button? No. Controls, here we go. S to take a screenshot, M to mute all audio, F toggle full screen mode, H to hide text box, Tab or right alt to toggle skip mode. Auto mode is A. Oh yeah, you're not seeing any of this because Toggle auto progress. Show history, which is delete this. Show history, which is T. Yeah, I definitely need to change the OBS scene to show my top monitor instead of the Unity window, because you're not seeing any of this. F2 to load, F3 to save, don't need that. F4 options. Toggle skip. No, skip. Progress. And this is bound to tab. But it's also bound to right alt. Okay, and then there's also the history, but we'll do one thing at a time. Right, managers, cutscene manager, and then input manager. Scripts, cutscene, create model behavior, cutscene, input manager. Not a bad option to reference. Yeah, it's pretty much the only visual novel I'm aware of. Oh, well, Steins Gate. I know Steins Gate as well. Oh, I'll rename it from here. Manager. There we go. Void. Hang on, let's open this up. In cutscene. Void on progress. Boop boop. Public void on toggle auto progress. Public void on show history. Debug.log to do show cutscene history. Public void on skip progress. Serialized field private cutscene manager. Cutscene manager. Cutscene manager dot progress. cutscene manager dot auto progress equals that. Cutscene manager dot show his oops. Now we'll cut this. Cutscene manager dot show history. Toggle history actually. Cutscene manager dot skip import equals that. Actually, this is going to be a value. Control type axis. Blum blum. The rest are buttons though. Because skip's going to be a hold, not a thing. So input value val. If val dot is pressed. No. Val dot get a float being greater than 0. Balls. Oh well. Debug.log sudo toggle cutscene history. So where should I put the control prompts? Maybe on the bottom. Maybe hang on. Subcanvas. Control prompts. Then have horizontal layout group, middle center, auto prompt. History prompt. Skip prompt. Progress prompt. 6 Switch Pro. Progress. Because it's the UI, I want to do maybe put in a different colour. I don't know. Auto is A. History T. Skip. Tab. This way at the start. Progress input equals true. Okay, how does this look? Was it on auto by default? Oh. Ah, yes, I know. If auto progress, then do this. Oof. Input manager has a cutscene input manager here. And player input. Yeah, that is on progress. Country manager, the progress input. Okay, stop that then, and then just have the on what is this? Where's the show dialogue? Here we go, show text. These set progress input to false. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, the auto works. And tab. Yep, that does skip them. Why is Regis saying the let me check thing? Hang on. There's a problem. Oh. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's it. Wrong person speaking. Okay. Right. On skip progress. Okay, in cutscene skip progress. Axis, analog, integer, digital, value int. Is it a value? Button. Value action will perform its control from its default value and then perform on every value change. It will cancel when the controls go back to default value. Also, when enabled, a value action will respond right away to a control's current value. Equals val dot is pressed. Okay, save this asset. There we go, that works. Right, I think on mouse movement we want this thing to show and then hide when after a certain amount of time. Yeah, something like that. Now I want these in the separate colour just so that they're system oriented stuff and not the story oriented stuff, which is in this colour. I'm not entirely sure if that would work though, because then I'd have to change a lot of things alongside the game. I think it might be better if I just had this in a different colour and then this there, maybe. I don't know. Oh well, I've come to the end of my stream, so Yeah, we did quite a bit today. We actually got through an actual cutscene. Got through the cutscene. Yeah. Shit, a lot of stuff. Has different colours for the system menu and narration box? Yeah, kind of. I mean... Yeah. Typically they're fine being the same. Yeah. Hang on, let's try it. Yeah, okay, we'll try it like that. I mean, they're on the separate sides of the screen anyway, so... Like a unique one for the narrator? No, the narrator is just this text box here just disappearing. Hang on, I'll... So you see, this thing's disappeared, and we know that this is a narration. But yeah, having a different, maybe a slightly separate colour for narration. I don't know. You see, we're going back to dialogue because we've got the speaker here. Okay, we've ever so slightly run over. So, my worries at the start of the stream came true. We probably will need a third stream just to iron out all the kinks. But hey, it's a cutscene engine, and hopefully the only changes we need to make after that are to the almost will make a slight difference, so they can be partially transparent to obscure the background CG less. Oh yes, show CG, that's something that I might want to add. Actually, I'm going to add that now just so I don't forget. We'll call it Hide UI. Is there a thing in Guitar Schedule that does that? H, or middle mouse button. Okay, we'll bind this to path H, and then also middle button on the mouse. Save that. Right, oh, don't do all that. And then in here, public void on hide UI. Probably have input value. Cutscene manager dot UI hidden equals val dot is pressed. Generate this property. And then actually private bool UI hidden. Yes. UI hidden internal set. UI hidden equals value debug dot log. To do value show no hide or show UI. Okay. H key hides UI in most VNs. I think it's built in RenPy. Yeah, okay. Hiding the UI is very common, be it in all ages or R18. Yeah, of course. Okay, so after that quick, actually, I'm also going to do this. As well. Hide UI H. Radio. Okay, now I can finally end the stream. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ra for now.